if the root of 3s squared minus 4s minus 1 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta, find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we want to look at how to find the value of alpha plus beta, which is the sum of the root, and alpha beta, which is the product of the root, from this quadratic equation 3s squared minus 4s minus 1 is equal to 0. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Solution. We have the quadratic equation in standard form: as squared plus bs plus c is equal to 0.
S squared minus alpha plus beta, this is not there, into S plus alpha beta equal to 0, where alpha plus beta are the sum of the root and alpha beta are the product of the root. We have 3s squared minus 4s minus 1 equal to 0. Then a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to what? Minus 1. Therefore, our alpha plus beta is given as minus b over a, while alpha beta is equal to what? C over a. Then this implies that we have alpha plus beta is equal to what? Our b is minus 4. We have minus into minus 4 over our a is 3, which is equal to what? Minus times minus is plus 4 over 3. Therefore, our alpha plus beta is equal to what? 4 over 3. Also, alpha beta, which is the product of the root, is equal to what? We say c over a. Then let's see, our c is minus 1 and our a is equal to 3. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to minus 1 over a. Then our final answer is now alpha plus beta, and alpha beta is equal to what? 4 over 3, minus 1 over 3. Now let's confirm if our answer is right or wrong. We have alpha plus beta is equal to what? 4 over 3, and alpha beta is equal to what? Minus 1 over 3. And we have the quadratic equation in standard form as s squared minus alpha plus beta into s plus alpha beta equal to 0. Now, this implies that we have s squared. What is our alpha plus beta? We have minus 4 over 3s, then our plus our alpha beta is minus 1 over 3 equal to 0. Now, this implies that we have s squared minus 4 over 3s minus 1 over 3 equal to 0. Let's multiply all through by 3. Then we have 3s squared minus 3 multiplied by 4 over 3s minus 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 equal to 0. Then this one will cancel this. This one will cancel this. We are left with 3s squared minus 4s minus 1 equal to 0, which is also the quadratic equation given, meaning that our solution for alpha plus beta, which is equal to 4 over 3, and alpha beta, which is equal to what? Minus 1 over 3, satisfy the given equation. If you have enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.